One more word today for which the origin is not known, so we will take it the way we explain. Drums. You want to focus on something and there is someone sitting right next to you or someone who is close enough to you and that person is playing drums and you want to focus, but you cannot focus. Now make it two people playing drums. One person, second person. Two people playing drums, both of them playing at their own rhythm, which means whatever was difficult to focus on right now, because each of them is playing drums in their own way, what do you have now? You have an absolute chaos. Now make it three people. Sounds very frustrating. Take those drums. Take a lot of people playing drums. Let all of them play drums around you and now you try to focus on something and you try to solve a problem. What happens? You go absolutely numb. You are unable to solve it. It's not a very difficult problem, or maybe it is a difficult problem, but what is happening here is, it seems a very challenging problem. It seems a very intricate problem. Such intricate problems, the kind of problems to which you cannot find an answer easily, the kind of problem, the kind of riddle which has a lot of fine details. If you miss out on some details, you feel like maybe I'll not get the answer. All of these words, all of these explanations go for the same word, conundrum. Ethical dilemmas are often called conundrums because it is very difficult to take a decision which is, ethical dilemmas are what? Ethical dilemmas are instances where one of your options is to actually give up on your ethics, because if you don't give up on the ethics, you might end up harming yourself or you might end up harming someone else. So an ethical dilemma, the kind of a dilemma where it is very difficult for you to decide what is right and what is wrong, that obviously becomes a conundrum. So conundrums, as I said earlier, I am in a conundrum whether I should support this person. I am in a conundrum because I cannot see where my career is headed. Whatever examples you take, when a problem is very intricate, when a problem is very challenging, you cannot find an answer to it easily. Those kind of challenging, delicate, intricate problems are called conundrums.